Hi guys, it's Belinda, and today I wanted to share with you this cute cat water fountain. I just put it on lightly so I can show you. So it's easy to use. You just put your water in, and the nice thing is the cat gets filtered water too. You put your filter in, your pump in, and then this piece goes over top of a pump. Press it down. Put your center flower on and plug it in. And here's the water. So I'm going to end this with my cat drinking out of the little water fountain. It's cute, plus they get fresh filtered water. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and I just love it. Thank you for watching my review, and I'm gonna go get the cat.